Good morning, students. I am Sonal. So, today we are going to start chapter 13, and the name of the chapter is tense. Well, tense tell us the time of action. Okay, mainly there are three kinds of tense, that is present, past, and future. Well, there are four types of present tense, but as you are when you will go in higher classes, then you will get to learn about all these tenses. But for now, you have to learn only two types, that is simple present and other is present continuous. Okay, so let's start. First, present tense. It shows action is done is in present. Okay, simple present. Simple present shows habitual action, like I read newspaper, I go to temple. Okay, I learn English. So these are all habitual activities. So these come under present tense, simple present tense. Okay, when we talk about some universal truth, then also we use simple present tense, that is present indefinite. The earth is round. The earth revolves around the sun. So this is also what? Simple present tense. The sun sets in west. This is also simple present. When we talk about present fact, that like I live in Pratapgarh and they are very tall, so we are talking about present facts. So then also we will use what? Present tense. Okay, the structure of present tense is subject plus verb की first form, verb's first form, and plus s or es plus object. Okay, we use s or es only with singular subject. Okay, like with Ram we will use what? Ram goes to school, not Ram go to school. Ram goes to school. Okay, but if I say Ram and Sham, then we can't use go, we will use Ram and Sham go to school. Okay, next, present continuous tense. It shows action is happening now. Okay, so it is in continuous form. Example, they are playing, she is reading. Okay, so the structure is subject plus is, am, are, and after that we use verb in its ing form. Always remember, whenever the tense will be in continuous form, we will always use ing form of verb. Okay, plus object. Is used for singular person and are is used for plural person or things. Okay, now coming towards past tense. Past tense talks about action that has already been done, that was done in past. Okay, simple past or past indefinite. It shows action happened in the past. Example, I baked cake, I spoke to Radha, I went to market. So these are all simple present tense, simple past tense. Structure is subject plus second form of verb, that is past form, plus object. Okay, now coming towards past continuous. It shows action that began in the past had continued. Okay, so examples are they were baking cake. Okay, she was playing hockey. So these all are past continuous. Structure, subject plus was, verb plus ing form of verb plus object. Was is used for singular and were is used for plural. Okay, we use it with you also. Okay, we never say you was late, you were late. Okay, now coming towards future tense. Future tense talks about action that will happen in future. Okay, simple future. It shows an action promised to occur in future. Okay, example, I will go to school, I will bake cake. Okay, So like with I we should use shall, but in modern English we can use both. Will, shall, both are correct. Okay. Structure: subject plus shall or will plus first form of verb plus object. Okay. Remember, I shall, we shall, and rest will. Future continuous: it shows action that will be going on in future only. Like example, I will be baking cake. Okay. I will be going to school. I will be sleeping at 9 p.m. Okay. So you are forecasting future events. Okay. So structure of future continuous will be subject plus shall or will plus be. Okay, be plus ing form of verb plus object. So that was all about chapter 10. I hope this is clear. Thank you.